In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw custom graphics in Pixlr and overlay them in CapCut on PC. We're creating a simple, clean drawing in Pixlr, saving it with a transparent background, and then placing it over your video in CapCut. This is perfect for custom shapes, doodles, arrows, or hand-drawn accents that sit naturally on top of your footage. Start by going to Pixlr and opening the AI editor. On the home screen, click Create New. From the available options, choose Art Grid. This gives you an easy starting canvas that's flexible for drawing. Click Create to open your new project. If you see any preset background applied, don't worry, we'll make sure the final file stays transparent when we save. Next, look for the drawing icon in the toolbar. Select the brush tool. This is where you set your style. Pick a color that will stand out on your video and adjust the brush size to match the look you want. Thicker for bold shapes, thinner for fine lines. If your design needs consistency, try a medium brush size to start, and you can switch sizes as you go. Now draw your desired shape or design right on the canvas. Keep it simple and intentional. If you make a mistake, use undo to step back or the eraser to clean up edges. You can zoom in for detail work and zoom out to check how the overall design reads. Think about how it will appear on your footage. Avoid filling the whole canvas so it doesn't cover too much of the video. When you're happy with the drawing, save it. Make sure it's saved with a transparent background so only your artwork shows in CapCut. The easiest way is to export it as a PNG because PNG supports transparency. Double check that no solid background layer is turned on before saving, then confirm your export. Open CapCut on your PC and load the video you want to edit. Import the transparent image you just created. Add it as an overlay on top of your video by dragging it onto the overlay track. You'll see it appear above your footage in the preview. Finally, arrange and position it how you like. Resize it by dragging the corners, rotate if needed, and place it where it complements the shot. You can stretch the overlay's duration on the timeline if you want it to display longer or shorter. Play the video to confirm everything looks smooth and make small adjustments until it feels just right. And that's it, your custom Pixlr drawing cleanly overlaid in CapCut.